Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one device, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset network settings on this printer. To do it, you need to open the control panel and then click on the wireless button. Then click on the settings button, and here you will have the print reports, wireless settings, and restore network settings. We need to click on restore network settings button, and here you can read the attention text. So, are you sure you want to restore the printer's original network settings? Network settings, including proxy settings and administrator password for the m.web server, will be reset. Are you sure? Yeah. Click yes. Wait a while. And great, that's it. Network defaults have been restored. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.